Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Logo Switch Open. Today I am going to teach you iconic logo design. So it is my first class of iconic logo design. So let's start how to make a iconic logo. So first of all we have to create a new page. Here take some times. Here I will take 10 into 10 inch. So create it 10 into 10 inch. Here is my artboard where I will draw my iconic logo. So let's see how to make a iconic logo. First of all, I will take a pen tool here, which is I will take a pen tool here. Uh, I think this will be the perfect for it. I make a I make a half circle here, and how it look like. I make it a copy here. So I will make it as around over it. This will be the flip around the horizontal axis. Click here, but nothing else. Here, click here. So we can see here how it is look like. I make it here over here. So I will give some things here, which will be the Mm, this one will be the blue hair and this one will be the white hair. So I will make it blue. uh, then you have to make it blue. No, this blue is the perfect, I think so. So and I will make a change here, its background change. I will make its background change. So the background will be the mm, I take a rectangle here. So then uh, rectangle here, and I will make it this color will be the perfect. You can see here is the perfect artboard, and make it lock make it lock. You can see here uh, it's it's having a stove, so I will decrease stove, and you can see here how it look like. It's look very nice to see. It's the iconic logo. Give a name here. So you can give a name here. Give a name here. uh, Make a name. BOAT4. Sorry, uh, I think here is a problem. I make a name here for top, for top. So mm, this one will be the 24, and I want to change this color. This color will be, I think this one will be the perfect hidden hair. Sometimes how it look like, it look very nice to see. You can see here how it look like. It look very nice to see that I make it for you. It's very nice to see and very easy that you can make a iconic logo. So let's do at your home that a iconic logo, make a iconic logo. So it's not a big deal, so big deal for it. So make an iconic logo and win some things. So for the next class, I will teach you about the typographical logo design and hope for your best attendance. Please support me with like, share and comment. For the next class, please join with us and enjoy the video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.